Hey everyone, if you want to save time managing emails, automating Gmail with Zapier is a total game changer. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automate Gmail step by step. First, sign in to your Zapier account and click Create, then choose Zap to start a new automation. Next, search for Gmail and select it as your trigger or action app depending on what you want to automate. Now choose a trigger event, like a new email, a labeled email, or an email with attachments. Then connect your Gmail account and approve the required permissions. Once the trigger is set, you can decide what happens next. For example, you can automatically send a reply, save email data to Google Sheets, or send notifications to Slack. After that, set up your action step and map the email fields like sender, subject, body, and attachments into the destination app. So test your Zap to make sure emails are being captured and actions are running correctly without errors. Finally, give your Zap a name and turn it on. From now on, Gmail will automate tasks in the background without you doing anything manually. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully automated Gmail with Zapier. Now your email workflow is faster, cleaner, and fully automated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.